Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sunny. So today in this video we are starting a new series on the latest version of React. So I have a request, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please do it. So let's talk about the React today. So if you are a beginner or an experienced developer, this series is going to help you to learn React 19 from scratch. And if you are ready to build fast, interactive, and dynamic web apps, then make sure to follow the series. So let's understand what is React. So React is a one of the most popular JavaScript library for building user interfaces, and it is maintained by Meta, so known as for Facebook as well. So React allows developers to create reusable components, manage state efficiently, and build dynamic web applications with minimal effort. So it is something like Angular. So Angular is like framework, but React is a library, and React is very powerful due to its fast processing. It's very lightweight as compared to Angular. So React is widely used in the industry because it makes web development more faster, more efficient, and highly scalable. Okay, so now understand why we should learn React in 2025. One of the main reason is it has a high demand. So React has a like high demand as compared to other UI frameworks or libraries. So these days, companies like Meta, Netflix, Airbnb, and many others are building applications and UIs using React. So React provides a component-based architecture, and it promotes reusability, maintainability, and making the complex apps very easy to manage. Third thing is performance. So in React provides us a feature of virtual DOM and efficient rendering. So React ensures high performance and smooth user experiences. Ecosystem. React has a very rich ecosystem with libraries for routing, state management, and form handling, making it versatile for different user cases. And React has very large community support. So if you go to Google, you will find many resources, tutorials, and opportunities in 2025 are more in React as compared to other UI framework. So now let's talk about what are the requirement for installing React. So we were learning Angular, and as you know, when I installed Angular, so there are few things which are common. We need Node.js, we need npm. We can install it by googling it from the official website. Same like Angular, we need a code editor, which is Visual Studio, and it is highly recommended because of its extensions and support for JavaScript and React. We should have a basic knowledge of JavaScript, we should have a basic knowledge of HTML, we should have a basic knowledge of CSS if we have to learn React. And we need to understand the basis of JavaScript like arrow functions, classes, modules. We need a package manager, npm, and we can install it. As you know, it is a when you will install Node.js, it will automatically be installed in your system. And we need a browser to run the React app like Chrome, Firefox, or anything which are currently available in the market. So in the next video we will learn how to install the React, but in this video we are just going to learn only the few features of React, or we are going to discuss what we will be learning in a series. So now let's talk about features of React 19. So React 19 comes with a amazing library for building modern web application. It provides us a component based architecture, so it helps us to build encapsulated components that manages their own state and then compose them to make complex uis. So React provides us a JSX means JavaScript XML, and XML HTML like syntax used to describe the UI, which gets compiled into JavaScript. Virtual DOM efficiently updates and renders only the component that change, enhancing performance. So it provides us a one-way data binding, data flows in a single direction, making the application more predictable and easy to debug. So it provides us there is a way for a two-way data binding as well. So which we will be learning in the coming tutorials. So declarative UI, React make it easy to design interactive UIs with readable and declarative code. So state management, efficient management of application state using hooks like use state, use reducer, and libraries like Redux and Context API. So Redux, we can use it for state management. So it will be like Redux is also available in Angular. So similarly, with the help of a Redux, we will also learn how to use state management for complex data iterations in our application. So React provides built hooks like use state, use effect, use context, and many more for managing state and side effects. React provides a router, a routing library for handling multi-page applications within a single page setup. So in the React 19, components are rendered on the server and can be streamed to the client. So we can call it as a server-side rendering. Actions and side effects. React 19 introduces actions which makes managing side effects more predictable. Context API enhanced in React 19 to improve performance when sharing global state across your application. Hydration and optimized rendering. Improved page hydration and rendering makes the apps feel faster and more responsive. And React provides the concept of lazy loading to improve the performance and to provide user a better experience. So React children into a DOM node that exists outside the DOM hierarchy of the parent component. Error boundaries, server side rendering, static site generation. So similarly, all of these features we are going to learn and how to implement them practically in our application. So in this series, first initially we will start with setting of a React 19 environment in our local. I will be using a window laptop for it, and then we will learn how to build components and manage state with the hooks. We will be exploring new feature like server component and actions. We will be integrating the APIs, and we will be handling the asynchronous operations, and we will use Redux to implement the state management in our this learning application. And then we will learn how to implement routing, navigation, optimize performance, and how to test our application in React and deploy in any server. So, guys, this is just a basis of this introduction of React 19. So, in next video, I will come back and like explain how can we install a React 19 application, and there will be many more features like complex features. We will be creating a small project as well, maybe with the CRUD operations. We will implement state management, API calls, everything I'm going to cover in this tutorial. So guys, let's catch up in second video where we will be installing the React and start the action. So let's meet in next video. So thank you for watching it. Bye.